I'm on the happy truck road to heaven, driving through Idaho. I got myself a kind of heavy load, and I'm driving down US 95. I'm on the happy truck road to heaven, making America happy. My stuff is important, somebody really wants it, so I'm gonna take it as fast as I can. I'm on the happy truck road to heaven. Wonder where these guys are headed to. Hey, you're wondering who lives in the valley? I don't know either. But there's people down there. They live in those valley homes. I'm on the happy truck road to heaven, driving down US 95. The hill is steep, it's 7%, but I'm using my jakes alright. I'm on the happy truck road to heaven,